Hey, what's up guys? I'm Lorenzo. Today I'm going to show you how I work whenever it comes to sound design. Here you can see my Pro Tools session. Pro Tools will be my DAW to work for this video, but you can rock with any specific DAW of your choice and you can follow up with me. This is the video I will be working with. Notice that there is no audio on it. I usually do not like to listen to the original sound design because you get inevitably influenced by it. We're going to try to do by ourselves a really good job here. So to create sound design, I will be using Krotos Studio Pro. Here I got it loaded as a virtual instrument and I will be routing that through an audio track so I can monitor that, and then I will be dropping directly from the plugin to my timeline. I will show you later how I do that. Let's get into it. Here's the video. To warm it up, we're going to try to do some ambiences. So I'm going to casually drop some stereo ambiences here. Here I'm going to put a little marks here and I'm going to see for how long this scene or this particular location with the mountains, the water and whatsoever lasts. So I'm going to mark it this way, and this, I feel, the final shot. We're going to finish with a big explosion here and a stinger to the title screen. If you guys are in a rush to do the ambiences, you can check out this tool. It is called Video to Sound. It's the beta version. It's made by Krotos Studio, and you can basically drop your video and it will create ambiences for it with AI. I do not only use this specific tool, but it is a good start and you can definitely add some more ambiences later. So let's take the video. I have it here. The AI is analyzing the video right now. So it's going to generate some custom sound effects. So this will take a couple of minutes to analyze. Got a couple of layers here. We can hear to the mix. Nice. So I don't like the birds here. So we're going to get rid of those. We don't want them. This one I like. So I'm just going to download that. What else is going on here? That crowd is kind of okay, so we're going to put it as a really low background, like a noise. That's too close, but I get the idea. That is kind of an edging sound. Can be so. The good thing here is that I don't have to use the mix because there's some sounds I don't like, but there's two sounds that I really like here that can be used easily. So I downloaded both of them and I'm just going to drop the stems here. Boom. Cool. Now let's do some sound design here. So as I told you guys, we're going to be using Krotos Studio Pro. Here I've got my audio tracks. So vehicles, we're going to be trying some kind of spaceship here. Spaceship. Drag and drop the stems and take the part I liked, which is the last riser I used. So we're gonna put these on sync right here. So just a little touch of it, not too much. Same here. We're going to drop the sound. I really like that one, the last one. Into the timeline for the first actual scene of sound. Here we have the sound design for this pass by. I got a really fast pass by for the spaceship following up the Mandalorian's one. Also, we got some laser shots. We're going to be doing them right away. Not a lot of time definitely to drop some sounds here because we're going to cut immediately into the next scene. So let's go to Krotos Studio and create some big explosion here. So let's go for explosion. So let's see what we have here. So I like the last one. Nice. So we're getting there definitely. I'm gonna take some time to add some little more sound effects, and then we're gonna go for the voiceover.